Hi everybody, welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'll show you how to make spiced up chicken breast with some Cajun spice, some garlic salt and a bit of olive oil. That's as far as it goes. This is a simple recipe. You can use it within a burger, eat plain chicken with some root vegetables, or just have it with some cauliflower and cheese. It's entirely up to you. It's a simple recipe, so just follow me and you'll find out. Right, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the link, get the latest updates. DM me. I'm following every single one of those messages that everybody responds back, and I have responded back to all your messages. Please keep it coming. If there's any recipe that you would like me to give it a try, then do DM me. Share and follow with your family and friends, and give me a big thumbs up if it turns out right for you. So, okay, I've got a few chicken breasts here. I've got about 6 chicken breasts for my late evening meal today with family. And it's very simple. I'm just going to mix in the ingredients, let it rest for about half an hour, and then I'm going to griddle it. So let me actually put on a glove now. So on with the glove and on with the cooking. All right, so first of all, I'm just going to take the lemon juice and the olive oil and then just mix those two in. And once my chicken is coated with the lemon and olive oil, I'm just going to pop the rest of the ingredients. That's Cajun spice. Now I'm going to just simply sprinkle it on top, and then I'll massage it back in. What I have done, apologies, I forgot to say that, is actually I've scored the chicken slightly, and I'll show you that in a minute. So I've taken the chicken very lightly, I'll put some scores on it just so that the marinade that I'm putting in actually seeps inside the chicken. It just doesn't sit on the top, and then when you start eating it, you get a first hit and then it's disappeared after that. So this should allow the chicken, the spice to basically go into the scores of the chicken, and we'll get that additional taste and hit of that chili. Now I'm going to pop this into the fridge. I'm going to let it rest and let it do its magic, and I'll come back in about half an hour when the griddle's ready, and I'll show you what to do. See you shortly. Hi everybody, welcome back. So my chicken's been in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and I've brought it to room temperature for the past 10 minutes, and it's pretty much ready to cook. So just to show you before I start popping it in the griddle, that's what the chicken looks like. So you can see where I scored the chicken. It's actually taken on the herb, the spices, the salt, and that's basically when we cook it off. So every bite should have additional taste and spice to it. Okay, so see you back at the hub. Okay, so I'm going to go with the biggest piece chicken, and then, because there are a couple of variations in size, I think there was one extra additional large one. So I'll go with the largest ones first. There's one. Two. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave them on there for a good 6-7 minutes. And I've got a couple of small ones here as well. Pop those in there as well. Okay, it's been nearly 4 minutes. I'm going to quickly check on the back of that. Perfect, all right. I'm just going to put them over. And you can see where the chicken is starting to caramelize on top. Right, the chicken looks beautifully done. A little bit of caramelization there. And I'm just about going to take it off the heat, and I'm going to pop it onto a plate and let it rest for about 5 or 6 minutes, and I think that should do the trick, and we'll be ready to serve.